Assalamu alaikum. I am Namrazal and I am from Department of Base Chemistry. The topic of my presentation is hand wash and body wash. As we all know that hand wash or liquid hand soap is formulated to wash and clean hands. Liquid hand wash is the best selling and most widely used in detergent product groups. Hand wash may have different features depending on content. There are variations such as for children with glycerin, antibacterial, transparent, etc. Now I will discuss ingredients of hand wash. Liquid hand wash contain lauric acid, potassium hydroxide, myristic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, potassium chloride, and then sodium laureth sulfate, Cocoamide MEA, glycol diastearate, and then glycerine, and tetrasodium EDTA, DMDM hydrantoin, and BHT, and triclosan, fragrance with pine oil, and silver hydrogenated castor oil. Now I will discuss these ingredients in detail, their uses, their formula, and their chemical structures. First one is lauric acid. Lauric acid is a saturated fatty acid with 12 carbon atoms in a chain, and thus having many properties of medium chain fatty acids, is a bright white powdery solid with the faint odor of bay oil or soap, and its formula is C12H24 and O2. Its chemical structure is oxygen and hydroxide. Second one is potassium hydroxide. As we all know, potassium hydroxide is an inorganic compound with chemical formula KOH. It is a potent base that is marketed in several forms. And third one is myristic acid. Myristic acid is also saturated fatty acid with 14 carbon atoms, and it is also used in cosmetics and care products such as oxidifying agent and surfactant. Its formula is C14H28O2, and its chemical structure is fourth one is palmitic acid. Palmitic acid is also a fatty acid found naturally in animals and plants and also can be created in laboratory used in personal care products and cosmetics. Its formula is C16H32O2 and its structure is and after palmitic acid there is stearic acid. Stearic acid is a saturated fatty acid with an 18 chain carbon. It is mainly used in production of detergent, soaps and cosmetics. Its formula is C18H36O2. Number 6 is sodium laureth sulfate. It is an anionic detergent and surfactant found in many personal care products such as cosmetics, soap, etc. Its formula is CH3 CH2 whole 10 CH2 O CH2 CH2 whole N OSO3 sodium. Its structure is seventh one is Cocoamide MEA. Cocoamide MEA or Cocoamide monoethanol amine. MEA basically stands for monoethanol amine and it is a solid off-white to tan compounds often sold in flake form and used in cosmetics and personal care products in formulation of bath soaps and shampoo. Its formula is CH3 CH2 whole N CO NHCH2 CH2OH and its structure is after Cocoamide MEA there is glycol diastereate. Glycol diacetyl is a diester of stearic acid and ethylene glycol and most commonly encountered in personal care products and cosmetics where it is used to produce moisturizer or other substances etc. And its formula is C38H74O4 and its structure is number 9 is glycerine. Glycerine is a clear liquid typically made from soybean, coconut or palm oils and is particularly popular in cosmetic industries and other as well. And its formula is C3H8O3 and its structure is CH OH. Number 10 is Tetrasodium EDTA. It is a salt result from neutralization of ethylene diamine tetraacidic acid with four sodium hydroxides, and it is a chemical used for both industrial and medical purposes. It is used as a chelating agent used to decrease the reactivity of metal ions that may be present in a product, and its formula is C10H16N2O8. Here is its structure formula. Number 11 is DM hydantoin. It is an antibacterial, formaldehyde, and preservative, and it increases the shelf life of cosmetics. Such as shampoo, soap, etc. And its formula is C7H12N2O4, and its structure is Number 12 is BHT. BHT stands for butylated hydroxytoluene. It is a substituted toluene that functions as an antioxidant in cosmetics and personal care products, and its formula is C15H24O, and its structure is and then triclosan. Triclosan is an antibacterial antifungal agent present in some consumer products such as toothpaste, soap, etc. And its formula is C12H7Cl3O2, and its structure is and the last one is hydrogenated castor oil. It is a polyethylene glycol derivatives of hydrogenated castor oil and is used in cosmetics and beauty products such as emulsifier and surfactant, etc. And its formula is C57H110O9. Now I will tell you about active ingredient in liquid soap. The surfactant. Surfactant is the main active ingredient in hand soap or liquid hand wash, and this ingredient chemically modifies the properties of water to make it a more effective cleanser. The surfactant also dissolves soils and emulsifies greasy substances. Make liquid hand soap at home. Step 1 is grate your favorite bar of soap with a cheese grater. It's going to make about 7 to 9 cups of liquid hand wash. Step 2, once grated, pour the soap into a blender with 1 cup boiling water and blend. And then step 3, open lid and add honey with hazel, rubbing alcohol and glycerin and blend. Second last is step 4, Pour out of blender into a large mixture bowl and start with 3 cups of cold water. Whisk the mixture, add more water as needed. And the last one is step 5, which is fill up your soap bottles and store the rest in large containers. After hand wash, I will tell you about body wash. Body wash, it is a liquid cleansing product for use on body, and it's more hygienic than bar soap. And body washes are slightly more moisturizing than shower gels, and its ingredients are synthetic and natural. Synthetic ingredients include AHA, which stands for alpha hydroxy acid, and second is BHA, which stands for beta hydroxy acid, or also called salicylic acid, and third one is glycerin. Natural ingredients include plant extracts like eucalyptus, aloe vera, tea tree oil, honey, almond extract, rosemary. At the end, there is a difference between hand wash and body wash. Hand wash are usually made with a combination of liquid fats and sodium hydroxide, which is called saponification. And body washes are usually made in a similar manner but with potassium hydroxide instead of sodium hydroxide. Thank you. That's all from my side.